So students, the first type of market is perfect competition market. Perfect competition market, you know that perfect competition market refers to the market where there is a large number of buyers and sellers. Homogeneous product is sold and price is determined by the market forces of demand and supply. Individual buyer and seller has no control over the market. So this is the definition of perfect competition market. That perfect competition market क्या है? Perfect competition market refers to the market where there is a large number of buyers and sellers. ये वो market पे है जहाँ पर large number of buyers and sellers है and they are selling homogeneous product. Same product, homogeneous similar product. Homogeneous product is sold and price is determined by the market forces of demand and supply. Price जो है वो market forces decide करते हैं. Market forces, you know, demand and supply are the market forces and market forces से ही price decide होता है and individual buyer and individual seller has no control over it क्योंकि there are large number of buyers and sellers in the market. Perfect competition में बहुत सारे buyers और बहुत सारे seller होते हैं तो एक seller और एक buyer की वजह से market पे कोई effect नहीं पड़ता. That is no, they are having no control over the market. Once if one seller is not supplying the goods in the market, it does not have any impact in the market. क्योंकि बाकी बहुत सारे सेलर्स हैं तो एक अगर सेलर अगर अपना प्राइस कम करेगा या एक सेलर अपना सप्लाई नहीं करेगा तो मार्केट पे उसमें कोई कंट्रोल नहीं कर पड़ेगा. एंड परफेक्ट कंपटीशन मार्केट में सेलर इज आल्सो नोन एज द प्राइस टेकर बिकॉज द प्राइस इज डिटरमाइंड बाय द मार्केट फोर्सेस और प्राइस फिक्स्ड होता है तो फर्म जो होती है वो प्राइस टेकर होती है. ही इज नॉट द प्राइस मेकर. सो दिस इज परफेक्ट कंपटीशन मार्केट कि जिसमें बहुत सारे बायर्स एंड बहुत सारे सेलर्स होंगे एंड दे आर डीलिंग विद द homogeneous product. Now what are the features of perfect competition market? So the features of perfect competition market are number one is features of perfect competition market. So number one is large number of firms. Large number of firms, you know that in the perfect competition market there are number of firms who are selling their product in the market. यहाँ पर कोई मोनोपोली नहीं कि एक ही प्रोडक्ट एक ही सेलर होगा. इस तरह के मार्केट में वी आर हैविंग लार्ज नंबर ऑफ सेलर्स. सो द लार्ज नंबर ऑफ फर्म्स आर सेलिंग गुड्स इन द मार्केट and the market price in the market is decided by the market forces, that is demand and supply, and they are dealing with the homogeneous product and the firm is known as the price taker. Firm is known as the price taker because price is fixed and it is decided by the market forces, demand and supply. So the firm cannot change the price. Firm जो है वो fixed price जो decide है वही प्राइस जो है वो फर्म को लेना है. So firm cannot make any changes in the price of the commodity and the firm is also known as the price taker. firm को यहाँ पर price taker भी कहा जाता है. firm is the price taker क्योंकि whatever the price decided it should be taken by the firm to from the purchasers or from the customers. So firm is known as the price taker and no individual firm कैन हैव द कंट्रोल ऑफ मार्केट प्राइस. मीन्स कोई भी एक इंडिविजुअल फर्म जो है वो मार्केट पे कोई प्राइस पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं करती है. जैसे मान लीजिए प्राइस फिक्स्ड है. सपोज अगर इफ वन सेलर इज नॉट सेलिंग गुड्स इन द मार्केट तो इट डज नॉट हैव एनी इम्पैक्ट ऑन द मार्केट प्राइस. मार्केट प्राइस उतना ही रहेगा. मार्केट प्राइस में कोई चेंजेस नहीं होंगे बिकॉज देर आर लार्ज नंबर ऑफ फर्म्स आर देयर इन द मार्केट. नेक्स्ट है हमारा लार्ज नंबर ऑफ बायर्स. In the perfect competition market, like firms, the large number of firms are there, so the buyers are also large number. There are many buyers in the market that they are purchasing goods from the perfect competition market, and the buyer is having full knowledge about the market because homogeneous product is sold in the market and the price is also fixed. So he can purchase the goods from anywhere, any shop. It does not have to move from one place to another. So there is a large number of buyers and sellers in the market. And no individual buyer can affect the market price and they cannot change the market condition. Means that the individual buyer is not having any control over the market. Like there are many buyers in the market. जब बहुत सारे buyers हैं, if there are some buyers who are not want to purchase goods from the market, कुछ buyers हैं जो goods नहीं खरीदना चाहते, तो अगर वो खरीदना बंद भी कर देंगे then also market पे कोई effect नहीं पड़ेगा. Market remain continue. So individual buyer cannot have any effect on the market price or the market. So the market condition will remain the same. In this type of market, large number of buyers are there. Next type feature of perfect competition market is homogeneous product. In perfect competition market, homogeneous product is sold. Homogeneous, homogeneous means similar product. There will be no difference in the price of the commodity, not even the good quality of the commodity, not even the goods. That means the same product will be sold everywhere. And in this type of market, everywhere you have seen the same type of market. Like you have seen the market of gold, market of silver, eggs, etc. That there will be same price in the market and the same product will be there. There will not be any changes in the market price or in the product. And this type of market will be known as perfect competition market, where homogeneous product is sold. And when the homogeneous product is there, the price remain constant. Price भी constant रहेगा and price जो है वो same price is prevailing in the market. Market में price भी same रहेगा goods का क्योंकि product भी same है and the price remain constant. Price constant रहेगा because price cannot be changed. Once the price decided, it should be taken by the firm and it should be given by the customers. So the no buyer can change the market price, no buyers can change the market condition because there are number of buyers are there and the product is homogeneous. Similar product will be there. So there will be no changes, no differences in the product of one seller. The product of one seller is similar to the product of other seller and there will be no changes in the price of the commodity, and the firm is known as the price taker and the same price, similar price will be there in the market.